Welcome back, kids. So now you're going to see an interesting things. So you're going to count the images. See here, I'm going to give you one image. You're going to count it and let me know what is the count. See here, intelligent test test. How many animals do you see? So in this picture, how many animals do you see here? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess how many pictures are there in this image? How many animals are in there in this picture? Come on. Look into the picture carefully and then let me know. Okay? Is it 3, 4, 5 or 6? You have to think. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll help you out. I'll do one thing. I'll find out 3 for you. The rest you have to find by yourself. Okay? Done? See here. Here the whole elephant. 1. And this is 2. Horse. 3 is dog. So rest you are going to find by yourself. Is that clear? So I found 3. Rest 3 you are going to find. Okay? Okay. Come, we'll move on to the next one. So here you are going to find the differences. So you have to find how many differences are there in this picture. Okay? Find 5 differences. So I'll help you out with 2 differences. Before that, I want you to try. Okay? You try it and then let me know. Observe, kids. You can do it. Come on. Try. So when you observe, you will get you can find the differences. It is really easy. The only thing you have to do is you need to observe it. Okay? Okay, come on. But I found it. Okay, shall I tell you? So here, see here you can see this boy is laughing. See here teeth can be seen, but here it is not there. So 1. The second one is shoes. See here. So it is here. So 2 I found out for you. The rest you are going to find by yourself. It is really an easy thing. You need to just observe. What you need to do? Just observe. The next one. Here also you are going to find out the differences. Okay. See here. So here you can see cow, goat, sheep, pig, horse and hen. So these you are going to find. Okay. So now what I want you to do is observe. So now let me know. Look into the pictures carefully, identify, spot the difference and then let me know. I hope you all are observing the picture. You are able to find it out. Correct? Okay. See here. So in this picture and they have given 2 pictures. So you're going to observe the both pictures. So when you look into the pictures deeply, you can guess. Okay, you can find the differences. So now I'll tell you 4 differences. The rest you are going to find it out by yourself. Okay? See the first one. See here the horse is showing his teeth. But here it is not. So the first one is here. The second one is the goat, sheep. See the sheep here. It is tongue out. You can see the tongue out. So here the sheep is missing. But here the sheep is there. Correct? No? See here there is no sheep. But here the sheep is there. So this is what the 3 differences we found. The other one. Here can you see the goat horn? It has broke. See, it is here the horn you can see, but here it is not there. It has got broke. The 4. So the rest you are going to find out by yourself. Okay? It is easy, kids. See the hen. It is turning this side and here it is this side. So right and left. And here the clouds are big and here it is small. So rest you are going to find by yourself. Okay? Shall we move on to the next one? See here. Here you can see. So here you can see this. Can you find an O among these Q's? Here they have given you set of Q's. Okay, you can see Q's are there. Only Q. Correct. So now in this Q you are going to find O. Okay. So now you keep looking out the picture carefully. Observe it and then let me know where is O. Okay. So your time starts now. Find out. I'll help you out. See here. See, it is here. No. No, it is not there. Come on. Kids, you also try to search. Here it is not there. Here also it is not there. So what you have to do? You have to keep searching. So till here I helped you out. Till here it is not there. The rest you are going to find. Okay? Come on. Come on kids. Find. Okay. I found one. See. Here it is there. See here. Here I found one O. So if in this picture any other O is there, please find it out and then let me know. Okay? The one we found it. The next one, I test. How many 7 do you see? So here they have given Z. So Z and 7 are together. So here you are going to find out how many 7 do you see in this picture. Okay? See here. So observe the pictures carefully and then let me know. Done? See here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last you are going to find out. I found 5. The rest you are going to find it out. Okay? See here. Yes. So now here the next one is share if you find P in the text below. Here you are going to find P. So here you can see R alphabets. Correct? No. Here you can see R alphabets. In this you are going to find P. So what you are going to do? So you are going to find by yourself and then let me know. Okay? So now finally home fun. So this is a assignment. Today I am going to give you home fun. Sorting. So here the following 2 pictures look alike, but there are some differences between them. 6 parts of first picture are missing. On the second one, trace the missing parts by encircling them. Here we have done finding out spot the differences. The same way here you are going to do, kids. It is really easy for you. Correct? Because you keep doing this all the times. So one thing I'll tell you. Here see the crane is there, but here crane is not there. So we found 1. So the same way you are going to find how many differences? So here 6 parts they have here. 6 parts of first pictures are missing on the second one. So you are going to find 6. 1 I have done for you. You are going to find 5 differences in this picture. Correct? So now, okay kids, thank you so much. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye kids.